This time we're going to make a crankshaft. This is going to be for a 4-cylinder engine. We'll have 2 up and 2 down. Looking at creating just that central axis, and then we'll have a spot for 2 pistons to be up and 2 pistons to be down. Just another quick look at that. So we have kind of the axis, it's all rotating around with 2 pistons up and 2 pistons down. And I'm just going to keep it super simple with this. Okay, so we're going to start with just a bunch of circles and extrude these out. The distance that you extrude these out and the length of the axis, this is going to be related to the size of your pistons. So just making sure your pistons are at appropriate distance from one another. And also the distance up and down that we're moving, that's going to be our stroke length, and it's going to be related to the length of your connecting rod on here. I'm just going to use a keyed slot to make these. Again, just super simple. I'm trying to make it fast and easy for you guys. If you want to do something a little bit fancier than this, go for it, and that'll earn you some extra credit points if you have just a couple of assignments you didn't get quite through previously in the semester. So here we are, and it's just a bunch of circles and a few slots. Set the diameter of the circle to the larger end of our connecting rod, which was set to 2 inches, and I'm extruding them out 1.5 inches, which will just let that connecting rod sit nice and snugly inside of this thing. Okay, so that was for the first piston going up. Now we're going to get those 2 that are coming down. Same thing, the slot going to come down 2 and out 1/2 inch, and this time we're going to draw those shafts down lower. So these will be that matched pair of connecting rods and pistons on the lower part of it. And we're just extruding all of these out a similar amount. So once you have one of them, you'll be really good at making slots after this. Okay, now once we've come this far, there's a few things that maybe we just copy over, or we can make an array out of it. So if we choose, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 chunks of it, and for the array direction, any little line that's in the direction you want to go in, just click on it. Count up your distances, so we're going to have to pop it out 4.5, and there's for the 2 pistons going down. We could have actually just used a mirror command for the whole thing, so here's creating a working plane that we can mirror the rest around. So look for those planes of symmetry and any kind of patterns you have in there. Save yourself some work and just use that array command. Okay, so here we have 2 up, 2 down, and an axis right down the center of everything. Put some connections on there for the timing belt if you want, but that's it.